Welcome back, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and let's work on page 44 of your 4th grade hybrid math workbook. What we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to do some factoring. We're going to factor the numbers 1 all the way to 100, okay? And when we're factoring, there's a couple things that I want you to keep mind of, okay? We are looking for prime numbers and we're looking for composite numbers, okay? And we're going to talk about what those mean, all right? So, here I've got some sample problems. You're actually going to do 9 sets of this, okay? Because we're going 1 all the way to 100, and you're going to become outstanding at this, okay? So here, let's start with number 4. So number 4, what we want to do is we want to know what I can multiply together to make 4. So here I've got something times 4 equals 4. Well, we know that's going to be 1, because 1 times anything equals the other number. 1 times 4 equals 4, and then here I just reverse the numbers. 4 times 1 equals 4, okay? And now, there's another way. 2 times what equals 4? That's right, 2 times 2 equals 4. Now, is this here a prime number or a composite number? Is the number 4 a prime or composite number? Let's talk about that for a second, okay? A prime number can only be multiplied by 2 factors only, okay? Only by 2 factors. So here we have a 1, that's one factor. Here we have a 4, that's another factor. Okay? We have the 4 and the 1, that's the same. Here we have a 2. Here we have 3 factors. If it's more than 2 factors, if it's 3 factors or 10 factors or 4 factors, it's going to be a composite. So this is a composite number. Now let's take a look at this one here. Now we're going to go ahead and factor 7. Something times 7 equals 7. What's that going to be? It's going to be 1. And 7 times 1 equals 7. So here, how many factors do I have? I've got a 1. I've got a 7. Here I've got 7 and 1. That's the same thing. Those are only 2 factors. So this is going to be a prime number. Okay? Again, composite, more than 2 factors. Prime number, only 2 factors, okay? Now let's take a look at number 20. Okay? Or actually at 20. So something times 20 equals 20. 1 times 20 equals 20. 20 times something equals 20. 20 times 1 equals 20. Something times 10 equals 20. What's that? That's right, you're outstanding with multiplication. 2 times 10 equals 20. Here I've got 2 times 1 equals 20. Well, flip the numbers around. 2 times 10 equals 20. Here I've got 4 times something equals 20. 4 times what? Wow, you're so smart. 4 times 5 equals 20. And here, switch the numbers around, commutative property. 5 times 4 equals 20. How many factors do I have here? I've got 1. I've got 20. I've got 2, I've got 10, that's the same. Then I've got 4, and I've got 5. So here I've got 6 factors. So if it's more than 2, it's going to be that's right, it's going to be a composite. This is a composite number. Now let's take a look at 19, okay? 19. So here I've got something times 19 equals 19. It's going to be 1. And 19 times 1 equals 19. How many factors do I have here? I've got 1, and then I've got 19. That's the same. So I only have 2 factors. That's going to be a prime number. That is absolutely correct. So, boys and girls, what you're going to do right now is you're going to go ahead and work on sets, and listen to this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So go ahead and work on sets 1 through 9. Have fun with this. And just kind of keep that in the back of your mind. Is it a prime number or is it a composite number? So with that said, boys and girls, we'll see you soon at the next video.